Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a right circular cone has a volume of 24 pi cubic inches. We're asked if the height of the cone is 2 inches, what is the radius of the base of the cone? So the formula for the volume of a right circular cone is that it's equal to 1/3 pi times the radius squared times the height. So our volume here is 24 pi. This is equal to 1/3 pi times the radius squared, which we don't know, times the height, which is 2. So the first thing we can do is we can divide both sides by pi, right? And these will cancel out the pi's in our both sides of our equation. So we have 24 is equal to 2 times 1/3 is 2/3 times r squared. We want to solve for r, we're looking for the radius. So if we want to get r on its own, we can multiply both sides by 3/2. On this side, you have 3/2 times 24, which is 36. But on this side, you have the 3's cancel and the 2's cancel, and you're just left with r squared. So now we take the square root of both sides, and we have the square root of 36 is 6, and this is equal to the square root of r squared is just r. Could also be negative r if the radius was less than 0. Right, if you have the square root of -4 squared, this isn't equal to -4, it's equal to -4, so it'd be equal to negative r, sort of. But we're looking at a radius, it's a positive value, so just say 6 is equal to r, and therefore, B, 6, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.